day, and today we went out and we ate chicken puff, pastry, burger, chips. We ate all kinds of food, and I also ate ice cream and I drank Sprite. And also we came to Reliance. This is the Reliance shop. Let me show them over there. So it's Reliance. We came to Reliance and we bought some groceries because we ran out of them, and so I'm just enjoying in the rain. It's raining actually. I forgot to tell you that. I'm enjoying the view here, but it's so cold. That's why I have this blue sweater. Rainy season, and it's good for the environment because in summer, like, the trees will be swollen out by the heat, and also and we won't get air. But it's rainy season now, so crops will grow out of nowhere. I'm so happy. See you guys. Bye.